Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. What time does Novo deposit money? Now, before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about why this is such a common question. Novo is a relatively new bank, and they're still building out their services. One of the things that they haven't yet implemented is real-time deposits. This means that when you make a deposit into your Novo account, it can take a few days for the money to show up. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to use your money immediately. So, what time does Novo deposit money? Answer. The answer is that there is no specific time that Novo deposits money. The time it takes for your deposit to show up in your account will vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of deposit you made, e.g., cash, check, direct deposit, the time of day you made the deposit, the bank that your deposit is coming from, the current volume of transactions. In general, it takes 1 to 3 business days for a deposit to show up in your Novo account. However, it could take longer in some cases. Tips for getting your deposit processed faster. Make your deposit early in the day. Make your deposit directly to your Novo account, e.g., using a mobile app or online banking. Make your deposit from a bank that has a good relationship with Novo. I know that this answer may not be what you were hoping for. However, it's the best information that I have available. In the meantime, I would recommend that you keep an eye on your Novo account and check for your deposit regularly. Once the money is available, you can use it as you wish. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.